Welcome to the 2014 cooking show. I'm Christina.
And I'm Melina, and today we're making grilled chicken with bruschetta.
For the chicken, you will need 2 skinless chicken breasts, olive oil, salt and pepper, garlic powder, and any other seasoning that you would like to use. In our case, we'll be using this garlic seasoning.
First, you wash the chicken in order to prevent foodborne illness.
We heat a grill to medium, but we don't have a grill today, so we're going to be using this thingy. So then you dab it with olive oil. You make 4 cutlets horizontally, but we only have 1 chicken breast, so we'll be making only 2. This sucks. We're supposed to use a cutting board. Yeah, we don't have a cutting board right now. So.
Now we're going to dab the chicken with oil and seasoning.
Now we're gonna finish adding in all the seasonings. And we're ready to grill.
Then you're going to grill the chicken until it's thoroughly cooked, about 4 minutes on each side.
Grilling is a form of cooking that involves dry heat being applied to the surface of the food. It's a healthy alternative because all the fat drips down and it makes your food less greasy.
Now we will make bruschetta. You will need half cup of tomato and 2 red onions, some salt and some paprika, and 1 clove of garlic minced. And we will need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/4 tablespoon of vinegar, 1/4 tablespoon of garlic salt, I do not know where that went, and some avocado, just over here.
My mom dicing the onions because Samad forgot how to.
Now you wash the tomatoes in cold water.
What you have just witnessed is blanching a tomato. The first step of which is boiling for a few seconds the tomato, and then afterwards putting it in cold water. This helps to partially cook the tomato, soften it, and also makes it easier to cut and get the skin off of the tomato.
Now you will chop the tomatoes. Cut.
Now we mix all the ingredients together. Just like family. Now I am cutting the avocado. Get a good grip, you know. There we are.
Take the seed out.
Stop.
No, we're gonna keep it going. You gotta cut it.
There. Now it is all ready. The recipe is good.
Nom 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 nom.